Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to find your watch later videos on YouTube. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my phone screen. Now I'll tap on YouTube and over here you can see this is my YouTube interface. On the bottom right you can see here is icon of you, Y-O-U-U, which is also a profile icon. Tap on this. And after that, scroll down and on playlist just tap on this view all. And over here you can see here is watch later. Just tap on this. And over here you can see here are list of videos which I saved to watch later. You can find the same over here. So in this way we can find watch later videos on YouTube. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.